Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so today we are doing a hair video. I don't know why I'm clapping so loud. I'm so sorry. I get a lot of questions from these short hair people out there, and they want to know how I style my hair or if I can do a hairstyling video. And I'm like, girl, like, I've done two, and those are the only two hairstyles I know, so I'm out. But I was just thinking, I'm like, I can't limit myself to just one or two hairstyles. Like, I want to try them all. So I'm like, all right, let's hit up the best place to find ideas, Pinterest, okay? So I'm like, all right, let me hit up Pinterest real quick, get some ideas, and I'm gonna do a video trying, I just spit. I'm just gonna do a video trying out different hairstyles for short hair like mine, because it's in this very, very, very awkward stage. I have no idea what to do with it. Like, it's a mesh 24/7. So we're gonna try a couple different things. I literally just have the basics with me. I have a hair straightener, which was cheapy cheap. I bought it for like 10 bucks. I don't even know if it'll work, but we'll see. I have a curling iron, some mousse, and a comb, just like regular stuff. It has been so long since I've used a heat product on my hair. I probably should have bought like a heat protectant, but we didn't do that back in the day. We would just let our shit fry, you know, like This is a hair straightener unboxing. Oh yeah, that feels like $10 right there. $10 well spent. For the first hairstyle, this one is very, very simple. It looks like it's just parted down the middle. And I have no idea how a middle part's going to look on my short hair. I think it might look a little funny, but we'll see. Am I gonna look fine or am I gonna look like Willard? What is the truth? So I'm just gonna try to do like a little flippy shit with this. I'm just trying to hit like a little flip. You hear that crunch? It's like, the girl has like that flippy volume thing going for her. Very nice. I don't have that, so this hairstyle should be illegal. Wow. I'm sorry you had to see me like this. It's criminal activity over here. So 1 out of 5 Pinterest icons. This is like a 2, maybe actually a 1. Like, the girl rocked it. It looked amazing on her. Obviously, this ain't it for me. I'm trying to hit like the little Matt Damon type of deal, like a little 90s type of style here, and it's just not working on my hair, okay? Next thing's next. Let's see what we got, because this is like, oof. I'm actually shocked at the amount of inches going on here. I am. We're gonna hit it with like a little bit of something. I feel like I'm doing permanent damage to my hair right now. I'm like certain of it. A little side swoop bite action here. Okay, this is giving me very Long Island medium right now. Like heavy. Heavy. At first I was ready to clown her, but I think she might have made a couple points. Maybe just a couple at the most, but I'm mad at a little hair to the front action. I'm so sorry to the girl in the photo though, because it looks nothing like hers. Like, I'm sorry to disrespect you like that, baby girl. It's giving me a little Kris Jenner, momager type of deal here. This next one, I'm not gonna lie to you, I might end up giving up on it, because this is gonna be a whole mission. Like, I'm gonna have to speed this part up a little bit, because we're curling hair and oof. Obviously, when you have natural, beautiful curls, you don't have to do this. But when you're like me, you just got this little straight, little frizzy nonsense, then, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. I feel like I should wear one of those little gloves. Like, if we're being honest, I should have just bought hair rollers and called it a day. I think I'm just about at the point of giving up right now. Ugly people with curly hair, you are blessed, you are beautiful. I'm not one of you, okay? I think I could be a little bit of a bad bitch with the curly hair and the little, you know what I'm saying? But having to do it on the straight hair and curly hair, it's not it. It's not it because you can't really get in with the curling iron, number one. Number two, it's dry as hell and I need some moisturizing something in here because this is like crispy, crunchy. Like it has potential. It could have been like a 4.5 out of 5 stars if it was really popping and my hair was actually curly or it looked good at least. But we're sitting at like a 2 or 3 right now. Maybe a 3 if I'm lucky. Most of it's not even curled because I got too lazy to finish it up. Wow, that's even stupider than I expected. Woo! I'm gonna try like combing it down on the sides a little bit maybe. Next we have a little Ruby Rose action. You know I love her, short hair goddess. And I think I can do this one because it's like something that I've done before. So I'm just going to literally comb over this thing. Maybe I should wet it a little bit. I can't see what the other side looks like, so I'm just gonna assume. I'm gonna be real, it's pretty late. I'm not gonna do the back. Like, I'm just not. Okay, I'm just not gonna do the back. That's okay. So we've got a little wave action going on, at least like from here and up. And I'm digging her. I would give this like a 4.5 out of 5 little Pinterest icons, okay? I think this one is actually a bop and not a flop. I think it's actually decent. Does it really look like the picture of Ruby Rose? Not really. Like hers is a little bit more elegant, a little bit more Hollywood, and I'm just serving you what I can. Like she is breakfast in bed, like a full platter, and I'm a bowl of cereal. Like Reese's Puffs. Okay, Fruity Pebbles. I mean, pretty iconic cereal, but still cereal. So I'm absolutely done. It is official. I am a Pinterest fail mom. I'm so sorry if you came here for like a legit hairstyling video because I flopped almost every single look. It was pretty tragic, pretty sad. I'm just gonna live with the fact that the beginning hair with little is like it for me. That's just my thing until we can get like a little bob style going. Maybe you got some ideas of what you could do with your hair. Probably not from me though, probably from like the inspo pics. And this is why I don't do hair videos, you guys. But if you want to see more of me being a hot mess, make sure to subscribe, like this video. Hope you enjoyed it even a little bit. And I will see you next time. Bye guys.